I think public health professionals have been kind of preparing for events like this forever. So certainly anytime there's a novel virus or something unusual happening in the world, our antennae are up, and that certainly happened here. I think that by January, everybody was clearly understanding that this was something different and that we definitely had to pay attention. It was all hands on deck. The beginning of it was really learning what's the best test, how are those tests going to work, and how do we make sure that the right people get tested. We have a lot of capacity through healthcare, through our Wisconsin National Guard sites that we help support. We know with communicable disease, and especially with a viral disease, a respiratory virus like this, that there are some basic things that we can do to help others not get sick. A simple cloth face covering, one that covers your nose and mouth well, is a really simple way to slow that spread down. Many of our partners, including Red Cross, has long been engaged in being part of our planning efforts, meeting monthly, talking about what if, what do we do when. We work really closely with the State Lab of Hygiene, our testing entity that is kind of the usual formal communicable disease entity to do testing. And now vaccination planning and doing vaccination. It's going to be hard, but because of those relationships and because of those partnerships, we can do this. While things constantly change, we are always approaching it as a community here to say, how do we make things work? We can really pull together to do something that if enough of us do it, if we get a high enough percent of the population that is all the time wearing a mask when we're in public, we will have lower COVID-19 rates, and that's what we all want. We want our kids in school, we want businesses going, and to me, it's an opportunity not to say, what do you have to do, or what are we telling you you're required to do if it's a mandate, but what do we, of course, want to do? What do we need to do for each other?